I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel yes or no coloring. We'll explore how to effectively use color to represent binary data, like yes or no responses in your spreadsheets. This visual cue helps you quickly grasp information. We'll look at two main ways to achieve this: using Excel's powerful conditional formatting features and applying colors directly to cells. Let's dive into which method is better for different scenarios. Conditional formatting is incredibly powerful for yes/no coloring. You set up rules, and Excel automatically applies colors based on your data. For example, if a cell contains yes, it turns green. If no, it turns red. This method ensures consistency across your entire dataset, even if data changes. It's highly efficient for large spreadsheets and dynamic information, saving you significant manual effort. Direct cell coloring, while straightforward, has its limitations. You simply select a cell and choose a fill color. This can be useful for very small, static tables where data rarely changes. However, if your data is updated frequently, you'll need to manually reapply colors, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. It also makes it difficult to ensure a uniform look across many cells. For most yes/no coloring needs, conditional formatting is the superior choice due to its automation and scalability. It ensures accuracy and saves time, especially with larger datasets. Direct coloring is only advisable for truly static, small-scale applications. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Making smart choices in Excel and with your finances can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.